Ladies and gentlemen, Benny Cañete. Cañete. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenneth Llover, the lover boy.
Lalaban ngayon, scheduled for 10, si Benny Cañete, 701. Si Kenneth Llover, siya po yung naka-white truck. Si Cañete naman is with the flame. Cañete. Very wide-eyed si Cañete. Both the crowd roaring at every attack. Looking to take advantage of the opening. Both these fighters, harap-harapan sila. Still no consistency in the attacks. Waiting to explode. Pasagod si Llover, pero he quickly steps out. Showing a little movement, connection there by Benny Cañete. Probing with that. Nice shot from Llover. That caught you up high, protecting his head. And then he moves close. Response coming from Cañete. Si Kenneth Llover. Right hand, connecting that time. Nakababa yung kanyang kamay ni Ben. Kailangan magpakita ng konting aggressiveness dito to unload his big punch. Nice shot by with a shot to the head. Llover coming right back. Llover looks like he's baiting Cañete. At this point, he's luring, he's baiting his opponent, moving away from harm's way. Llover is positioning himself in the corner. Then going to the left straight. Round number 4. Cañete is forced to react and he's not able to establish any. He throws that right jab. Then napapabayaan ni Cañete for Llover to dictate the pace. Kasi very inactive si Cañete rito. Take that Llover makes. When he misses, Cañete might have connected with a nice 2 years old. There. And then the left. Retaliation yet kung sa mga galing ng opensa. Kanan ba? Kaliwa. Keeping Llover to go lateral and then throw punches, jab. Kanina, no? He has to cut the wind off from Llover. Sabi naman ni referee Abanza, go, continue. Nadala ni Llover ang laban eh. At hindi makaporma si there's a shot connected by Llover. Just keep fighting. There's a lot of holding going on. And the big problem of Cañete is that when he comes in on the defensive, so hindi nakakabalik si Llover. Shot inside. Shot na swan ang gagaling, kuminsan sa kanan. Llover again. Masyadong magalaw yung kalaban. He's gotta pin him down. I'm sure reminding them, Stop the head blast. And full steam ahead. This fight is not what he's showing. Ito, shots. Walang tawag on the part of referee Vero Baenza, so he's got to rush him. And now Llover is on the attack. He's throwing combination. Almost the end of the round. Of Kenneth Llover. Round number 8 na po tayo. Is content to just back shooting. Smart fight here. The movement ni Llover is just keeping Cañete keeping his hands up, preventing any damage. Shot, a left hand. Right in the jaw. Benny, tinatamaan siya ng kaliwa. And moving away. Movement. Less than a minute to go in this. It's been a long night here for Benny Cañete. Number 9. He's got to move in. Do what he can to score a knockout. Land the big into any delaying tactics of either fighter. The power of Benny Cañete appears to be Benny Cañete. And look at it, connecting with that left hand. Oh, big punch scored by the ounce of energy that he needs to expend. Llover by Kenneth Llover, the undefeated fighter. Too many punches scored here by Llover. Advantage. Big punch, but so does Llover. Let's see what happens. Last 3 minutes of this. Step inside. Block the angle. Is going in for the kill. There. Trying to put an exclamation mark to the. Desperately looking for that one home run. Seconds to go. Second clock warning. Here we go. Oh, big punch scored there by Llover. And that's it. The fight has ended.
We have a unanimous decision and the winner, Kenneth Llover, the Lover Boy.
And there it is.